Meaning of historic present.
Historic present.
Historic present.
Historic present.
Historic present. In writing, the historic present refers to the technique of using the present tense to describe events that have already happened in the past. This can create a sense of immediacy and make the narrative feel more vivid and engaging for the reader. It is often used in historical writing, biographies, and other forms of nonfiction. By using present tense verbs to describe past actions, the writer can convey a sense of drama and tension that might be lost if the events were described in the simple past tense.